fellas, I caught 6 points today, or $30, because I do trade the micro. So price, we had this breakish structure on the 1 hour time frame, and that was pretty much what shaped my bias for today. We also had this 30-minute fair value gap that got formed. You guys can see the bodies of the candles respecting this gap very well. And I'll now go to where my entry was. So we had the 5-minute fair value gap formed, and I also want to point out that you guys can see price respected the 8:30 open price extremely well. We actually didn't hit it, just a few ticks off, but my entry was in this 5-minute fair value gap. And I also want to point out that this fair value gap failed, which also gave more confluence in this trade. So we have two fair value gaps lining up, and price was holding on a higher time frame, which gave me this bias. And I'll now go into the 1 minute and show you guys my entry. So initially, I actually got stopped out in profit. I got a really nice fill here at 405.75, and I should have just sold and taken my money and walked away. You guys can see that was plenty of, even if I didn't catch the high, it would have been plenty of points, over 6 points here. But I wanted this to get taken out, so I knew that I was already up over 5 points, so I moved my stop to a little bit in profit. Ended up getting taken out here with this displacement candle down, which cleared out these lows, which were super clean. And I really liked the higher time frame bias, and I was really confident in this 5-minute fair value gap holding. But there was a little bit of a divergence on NQ as well, so I re-entered. I got the same fill. Luckily, I got in at 44.0575. Same stop loss down here underneath the fair value gap. I was risking not even 2 points, and ended up getting my 6 point move that I really wanted. Could have held for the entire play, which would have yielded more money, but I did not want to get greedy since price was not delivering very well today. The price ended up turning here, and I could have held because NQ and ES were finally not diverging, and NQ was showing some movement. But regardless, I didn't want to be in the same situation again. I took my money. Even though it's only $30, it would have been 300 if I was trading the mini, and that was with only one contract. So that is just another perspective and another way to look at it, because I will be at that level one day sooner or later here. So that was my only trade of the day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.